Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer WordPress site to Hostinger detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your WordPress site to Hostinger, begin by backing up your existing site. Use a plugin like Updraft Plus or BackWPUP to create a complete backup of your files and database. Download the backup files to your local computer for safekeeping. Next, sign in to your Hostinger account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and choose your desired hosting plan. Once logged in, navigate to the control panel of your Hostinger account. Locate the option to create a new website. Select the WordPress installation option from the menu. Proceed with the installation and set up your database. After installation, log into your new WordPress dashboard on Hostinger. You'll need to install the same backup plugin you used on your old site. Go to the Plugins section and search for your backup plugin. Install and activate the plugin you previously used for backups. Next, upload the backup files you downloaded earlier. The plugin should have an option to restore your site using the uploaded backups. Follow the prompts to complete the restoration process. Once the restoration is finished, check your website to ensure everything looks correct. Now, you may need to update the DNS settings for your domain. Log in to your domain registrar's account. Find the section for managing DNS settings or name servers. Replace the current name servers with the ones provided by Hostinger. Save the changes and allow time for the DNS to propagate, which may take up to 48 hours. After propagation is complete, revisit your site to ensure it is functioning properly on Hostinger. Verify that all pages, images, and links are working as expected. If everything checks out, your WordPress site is now successfully transferred to Hostinger. Consider optimizing your site for performance by enabling caching and other features in the Hostinger control panel. Finally, set up regular backups for your new site to protect your content moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.